Alright, so right here we got a cool, amazing product right here. You can see from this brand in particular. And basically what this is a bedding sheet set. So basically what is covered in this package right here is 2 pillow cases that you can basically use as a cover for your pillows. And then they give you guys 2 other bed sheets that you can use to cover your bed. But before we talk more about the product itself, let me actually unbox this and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So everything is basically in here. So like the bed sheet, the pillow cases or pillow covers, all of that is in here. It's basically like a 4-piece set. And they also do provide you guys a little thank you card right here, which is pretty cute. You guys can see it's very cute design right here as well. So the one that we got right here is a purple color that is for the queen size bed. Obviously they have a lot of other options out there in terms of different color options and also for different size of your bed. I believe there's like the king one, there's a twin size, a full size, and then the queen one, which is what we have right here. And in terms of the color, they have a lot of other ones like I mentioned as well, but we decided to get the purple one right here. But you see from the packaging itself, it looks pretty cool. It's all nicely wrapped and it looks brand new. Alright, so when I take it out from the actual bag itself, you guys can see that this is what the color looks like. And when I actually feel the material on here, it feels really soft. And the cool thing about these bed sheets or this whole set is the fact that they are hand washable, or you guys can use a machine to wash it. But let me actually unravel this part right here first and then see what the inside looks like. So when we take it all apart, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So this is the first set right here. And then the next one right here, you guys can see that there is 2 of these right here, which is the pillow case. So one right here and then other one right there. So 1 and then 2. And then right here, I believe this is the other part of the bed sheet. But this part right here is actual bed sheet itself. So this one, you guys can actually put it into the actual bed itself. And I believe on the side, they have the actual part to put it underneath the bed. Let me actually open up this part and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so when I open up, you guys can see that this is basically what I'm talking about here. So this part they have is stretchable, which is pretty cool. So that way you can actually stretch it. And then you guys can actually put this part underneath the actual mattress itself. So obviously you guys are not limited to getting this set that I have right here. If you guys want to get other types of bed sheet, you definitely can as well. Regardless of which type you guys get, that's up to you guys, and they all should work really well. Obviously I'm gonna go wash this first before we actually apply it on. So let me actually go wash this first, and then we're gonna set up the mattress and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so once we finish putting up the first layers, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So the one that I got right here, like I mentioned, it is for the queen size bed. You guys can see what it looks like right here. But when you guys actually feel the material on here, it feels really nice. It definitely feels really comfortable. Super soft as well. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys fully set up that part right there. Let me put everything else first and show you guys the final product. Alright, so once we fully set up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So the 2 pillowcases right there, and then we got the bottom layer right there of the bed sheet. And then like I mentioned, for this layer, you guys can actually use it as like a really soft and thin blanket if you guys want to. Or you guys can actually put this on top as well, so you can get 2 layers of the bed sheet. That's up to you guys if you guys want to use that option. But this is basically what it looks like. Oh, also one thing I do want to mention about the pillow part. It's not like a zipper or anything. Let me bring it over and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so right here we have the pillow that I was talking about right here. So it doesn't have any zipper to like close or anything, but you guys can see they have this little design right here that looks amazing and definitely feels pretty good as well. And for these pillow covers, you guys can use it for any type of pillows, like regular pillows like these. The ones I'm using right here are memory foam pillows on both of them. As long as you guys don't get like a body pillow, like something around this big, then you should be fine. This pillowcase or cover will not fit into this one right here. So that's definitely something to remember. There's a bunch of other facts about the product itself that is super helpful, such as these right here. But here you guys go. You guys can see that the product itself looks amazing, super easy to use, super easy to set it up. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.